Hello students, we have discussed about the different methods of solving simultaneous equations. Already I have discussed the two different methods of solving simultaneous equation. Today we are going to study about the third one method, that is graphical method to solve the simultaneous equations. See here, graphical method which is related with the graph paper, that is Cartesian system. It is related with the Cartesian system. Then see here, in Cartesian system we can draw the y-axis vertical line on which there are numbers, that is coordinates are present on it, y-axis, as well as we can draw the x-axis on the graph paper, and therefore that graph is divided into 4 parts which are known as quadrants. And already we have studied to draw the or to plot the points, a particular point with which having x and y coordinate. If we know the x and y coordinate of any point, for example A have the ordered pair of x and y coordinate of that point A, that suppose -2 is the x coordinate of point A and 1 is the y coordinate of that point A, that is the -2, 1 is the ordered pair of that point A. If we know the ordered pair for any point, then we can plot the point on this Cartesian system. See here how to plot the points. You have already studied about that. तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना त्याची कल्पना आहे. तुम्ही 9वीलाच कार्टेशियन सिस्टीम मध्ये असे काही पॉइंट्स प्लॉट केला आहात. सी हियर द ऑर्डर्ड पेअर ऑफ दॅट पॉइंट A, -2 is the x coordinate. Therefore on x axis we have to find out the -2, and y coordinate for A point is 1. Therefore to find out the 1 plus 1 on y axis, and if we plot or draw the perpendicular line which intersects at a point, that point is a point A having coordinates -2, 1. That is about to plot the points on it. And by using this method you have already plot the graph of linear equation in 2 variable in previous standard. 9वीला तुम्ही linear equation in 2 variable चे ग्राफ सुद्धा ड्रॉ केलेला आहात. त्यामुळे इथे आपण आज first of all we have to draw the graph for linear equation in 2 variable by taking one example of linear equation in 2 variable, and we have to draw the graph for that linear equation in 2 variable in using Cartesian system or on graph paper. Then see here, x plus y is equals to 5 is the linear equation in 2 variable. Then to plot the graph for that linear equation in 2 variable on graph paper, we require or we have to first of all find at least 4 ordered pair for that equation, for the given equation. To find out 4 ordered pair, 4 sets of ordered pair of x and y coordinate, then we can plot the graph for this linear equation in two variable on graph paper. See, there are x coordinate, y coordinate and xy coordinate, that is ordered pair of for the linear equation in two variable or for this equation. Then to find out the four sets of ordered pair for this linear equation in two variable, first of all, see here x plus y is equals to 5. If the x is equals to 2, then taking the value of x is equals to 2, then 2 plus y is equals to 5. Therefore, we get the value of y is 5 minus 2, that is y is equals to 3. When the x of value is 2, then the y coordinate is 3. Similarly, we can get 3 more ordered pair set for to plot the graph of linear equation in two variable. Therefore, then consider x is equals to 1. Therefore, 1 plus y is equals to 5, and therefore y is equals to 5 minus 1, and therefore y is equals to 4. When the value of x is equals to 1, then y coordinate for this is 4. Similarly, to get the third set, x is equals to, that is minus 2. Then minus 2 plus y is equals to 5. Therefore, y is equals to 5 plus 2. Therefore, y is equals to 7. And when the value of x is equals to minus 2, then value of y is 7. Similarly, we get the fourth ordered pair for the same equation. If x is equals to 0, then 0 plus y is equals to 5. Therefore, y is equals to 5. Therefore, 0 and 5 is the fourth one ordered pair for this equation. Therefore, we get the 4 ordered pair for this equation to draw the graph for this equation. That is 2, 3 is the first set, 1, 4 is the second set, minus 2, 7 is the third ordered pair set, and fourth one, that is 0, 5. Then if we plot these 4 points on the Cartesian system on graph paper, then we can get the graph for this linear equation in two variable. Then see here, all of you have practiced to plot the points on graph paper. Then first point, that is 2, 3 on x-axis 2 and on y-axis 3. Therefore, we have to plot the first point. Similarly, we can plot the remaining 3 points on that graph paper. 1, 4 on x-axis, y-axis 1, and 4 plus 4 on y-axis. Similarly, we can plot the third one point on graph paper, that is minus 2, 7, minus 2 on x-axis and 7 on y-axis. Then fourth one, 0, 5. See here, there are total 4 points plotted on the graph. If these 4 points are joined by a line, then these 4 points should be on same, or it should be, the line should be passing through the same, passing through these 4 points, and the line which is obtained is a graph of the given linear equation in 2 variables. That means it is a line which is passing through all 4 points, and therefore it is a graph of linear equation, that is x plus y is equals to 5. Similarly, we can solve the simultaneous equation by graphical method by drawing graph of linear equation in 2 variables on graph paper. Then for this purpose, or to solve the simultaneous equation by graphical method, we have to do the practice of drawing graphs of linear equation in 2 variables on graph paper. Then we will solve few examples of simultaneous equations from practice set 1.2. Then see here in question number 1, in practice set 1.2, activity is given to complete the table to get the ordered pair of linear equation in 2 variables. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 मध्ये एक ऍक्टिव्हिटी दिली की ज्याच्यामध्ये लिनियर इक्वेशन इन 2 व्हेरिएबल्स दिले आणि त्याचे 4 सेट ऑर्डर्ड पेअरचे आपल्याला मिळवायचे, की ज्याची प्रॅक्टिस मी आत्ताच तुम्हाला या ग्राफ पेपरवर घेतली. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व few simultaneous equations by graphical method. Then examples from question number 2. Then see here question number 2, that is solve the simultaneous equation by graphical method is given here. From question number 2, second example we have to solve here. Question number 2 मधलं दुसरं example आपण solve करूया. See here the example is given here, simultaneous equations are given here, that is x plus y is equals to 5. Let this equation number 1. Then the second one example, second one equation is given here, that is x minus y is equals to 3. Let this equation number 2. Then to draw the, or to solve this simultaneous equation, we use the graphical method, and for this purpose first of all we have to draw the graph for first linear equation in 2 variables, and then we draw the graph for second linear equation in 2 variables. Then to draw the graph of these both 2 linear equation in 2 variables, then we require the ordered at least 4 ordered pair of equation number 1 as well as 4 sets of ordered pair of for to draw the graph of second equation. First of all, we have to plot the graph for first equation, that is to get the 4 ordered pair sets of 4 sets of ordered pair of x and y coordinates. See here x and y coordinates Then we can plot the graph for equation 1. See here, x plus y is equals to 5. If the value of x is equals to 1, then we can do the calculation orally for these equations to get the ordered pair. If x is equals to 1, then 1 plus y is equals to 5. Therefore, y is equals to 4. Therefore, we get the first order pair, that is 1, 4. 1, 4. Similarly, we can get 3 more ordered pair set for this equation. If x is equals to 2, then 2 plus y is equals to 5. Therefore, y is equals to 3. Therefore, 2, 3 is the one more set, that is second order pair set. If x is equals to 0, then 0 plus y is equals to 5. Therefore, y is equals to 5. Therefore, 0, 5 is the one of the ordered pair set for this equation number 1. Similarly, if we put the value of x is equals to 3, then 3 plus y is equals to 5. Therefore, y is equals to 2. Therefore, 3, 2 is the fourth one ordered pair for the same equation number 1. First of all, we have to plot the graph of this first linear equation in 2 variables. Then see here, 1, 4. 1, 4 is the first point. 2, 3 is the second point. 0, 5 is the third point. And 3, 2 on x-axis 3, on y-axis 2 is the fourth point. Then we plot 4 points on graph using these 4 ordered pair set of this equation number 1 for the equation x plus y is equals to 5. Then see here, these all 4 points should passing or should be on same line. Therefore, we can draw the graph for first linear equation in 2 variables, that is x plus y is equals to 5. That is the graph of equation number 1, x plus y is equals to 5. Similarly, we can get the second set, second 4 order set for the second equation. They see here, x minus y is equals to 3. That is the equation number 2. Then we can also get the 4 order set for the equation number 2 using the same method. We can do the calculation orally also. Then see here, if x is equals to, here to get the first set, if x is equals to 1, then 1 minus y is equals to 3. Therefore, minus y is equals to 3 minus 1, that is 2. Therefore, y is equals to minus 2. Then see here, 1 and minus 2 is the first order pair set, 1 minus 2. Then if we taking the value of x is equals to 2, then we get the value for y, that is 2 minus y is equals to 3. Therefore minus y is equals to 3 minus 2, that is 1. Therefore y is equals to minus 1. Therefore 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is the second order pair for the same equation. Similarly, if we take x is equals to 0, then 0 minus y is equals to 3. Therefore y is equals to minus 3. That is the 0 minus 3 is the third order pair set we obtained here. Similarly, if x is equals to minus 1, x is equals to minus 1, then minus 1 minus y is equals to 3. Therefore minus y is equals to 3 plus 1, that is 4. Therefore y is equals to minus 4. For the value of minus 1, see here, y is equals to minus 4. Therefore minus 1 minus 4 is the fourth one ordered set for the given equation. Then we can also plot these 4 points on the same graph. See here, 1 minus 2 on x-axis 1 and on y-axis minus 2. 2 minus 1, that is 2 on x-axis, minus 1 on, that is the minus 1 is 2 minus 1, that is the second point. 3 minus 3, 0 minus 3 is the third point, and minus 1 minus 4, minus 1 on x-axis and minus 4 on y-axis. Therefore we got the point or plot the point, fourth point here. Then we can also draw the line passing through these all 4 points, and that line should be extended to intersects the previous graph, intersect the previous graph. Then that is the line, that is the graph for equation x minus y is equals to 3. Then what is the solution of these simultaneous equation? See here, x plus y is equals to 5, that is the equation number 1, and x minus y is equals to 3, that is the equation number 2. Then we get the solution for these simultaneous equation by observing that graph, plotted graph of linear equation in 2 variables or simultaneous equation on the graph paper. See here, the graphs of these equation, these 2 equations, it intersects at a point. It intersects at a point. Therefore we get the solution for that simultaneous equation, that is the coordinates of that point, intersection point. See here, x coordinate for that intersection point is 4 and 1 is the y coordinate for that point. Then see here, 4 1 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. Then if this value for x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 1, if it is used or filled in this equation and if these values satisfy both equations, then our answer is correct. See here, if x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 1, then 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. That means it satisfies equation number 1. Similarly, see here, the value of x, that is 4, same value for x and y we used in the equation number 2. Therefore 4 minus, and the value of y is 1, 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. That means it also satisfies the equation number 2. That means our answer is correct. That is about the graphical method for solving simultaneous equations. Let us solve one more example from practice set 1.2, that is from example number 3 from question number 2. See here, example 3rd is given here, that is simultaneous equation is given here, that is x plus y is equals to 0. Let this equation number 1. And the second equation is given here, that is 2x minus y is equals to 9. Let this equation number 2. Already I have mentioned or explained the graphical method for solving simultaneous equation. Then using that method we have to solve this simultaneous equation. For first equation, that is x plus y is equals to 0. That is the equation number 1. For that we get the 4 ordered set of 4 ordered pair x, y and xy coordinate. See here, if x is equals to 2, then putting the value 2 here, then y, 2 plus y. See here, the first 2 plus y is equals to 0. Therefore, y is equals to minus 2. Therefore, 2 minus 2 is the first ordered pair set. Second one, for this purpose, x is equals to 1. Then 1 plus y is equals to 0. Therefore, y is equals to minus 1. 1 minus 1 is the second order pair set. If x is equals to 0, then 0 plus y is equals to 0. Therefore, y is equals to 0. That is the 0, 0 coordinates, x and y coordinates for the same equation. Similarly, if x is equals to 3, then 3 plus y is equals to 0. Therefore, y is equals to minus 3. Therefore, 3 minus 3 is the fourth one set, ordered pair set for this equation. Then we can plot these 4 points on this graph. Then 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2, that is the first point. 1 minus 1, on x-axis 1 minus 1, that is the second point. 0, 0 is the origin. 0, 0 is the origin, that is the third point, and 3 on x-axis and -3 on y-axis. Therefore, we get the third, that is fourth point here, and we draw the graph of the equation number 1. Then that is the graph of equation number 1, that is x plus y is equals to 0. Then we can also get the 4 sets of ordered pair to draw the graph of equation number 2. See here, x, y, x, y. That is for first, if x is equals to 2, then putting the value of x is equals to 2. See here, 2 into 2 minus y is equals to 9. That is 4 minus y is equals to 9. Therefore, minus y is equals to 9 minus 4. Therefore, minus y is equals to 5. Therefore, y is equals to minus 5. That means 2 minus 5 is the first ordered pair for this second equation. Similarly, if x is equals to 3, see here, x is equals to 3, therefore 2 into 3, that is 6, minus y is equals to 9. Therefore, minus y is equals to 9 minus 6. Therefore, minus y is equals to 3. Therefore, y is equals to minus 3. That is the 3 minus 3 is the second set of ordered pair. Similarly, we can get 2 more ordered pair. That is, if the value of x is equals to 5, then 5 into 2, 10 minus y is equals to 9. Therefore, minus y is equals to 9 minus 10. Therefore, minus y is equals to minus 1. Therefore, y is equals to 1. That means if x is equals to 5, then y is equals to 1. That is 5, 1 is the third set. Similarly, we can get the fourth set, or we can draw the graph using only 3 points. Then for the fourth set, if x is equals to 4, see here, then 4 into 2, 8 minus y is equals to 9. Therefore, minus y is equals to 9 minus 8. Therefore, minus y is equals to 1. Therefore, y is equals to minus 1. Therefore, 4 minus 1 is the fourth ordered pair set for the second equation. And therefore, we can draw these 4 points on the same graph. 2 minus 5. That is 2 minus 5. Then 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3. Second point. 5, 1. On x-axis 5 and 1 on y-axis. That is the point, third point plotted on the graph paper. And 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is the fourth point. Then see, a line can be drawn, and that line is a graph of, it is a graph of x, that is 2x minus y is equals to 9. That means for the second linear equation in two variable. Then see here, these two lines intersect in a point, that is the x and y coordinate of that intersection point is, that is on x axis 3 and on y axis it is -3. Therefore, the solution of these simultaneous equation is 3 minus 3 is the root or solution of that simultaneous equation. You can tally these using these values of solutions, that is x and y values in given equation. That is about the graphical method of solving simultaneous equation. इथं आपण simultaneous equation solve करायची graphical method डिटेल पाहिलेली आहे. You will solve the remaining examples from practice set 1.2 and do the practice of solving simultaneous equation by graphical method. You should use only graphs to draw the these graphs for linear equations or simultaneous equations. तुम्ही फक्त ग्राफ पेपरवरच करायचे, सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन इन टू व्हेरिएबलचे ग्राफ ड्रॉ करायचे. म्हणजेच प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.2 सॉल्व करण्यासाठी ग्राफ पेपरचाच यूज करायचा आहे. आणि यामधले काही एक्झाम्पल्स घरी सोडवण्याचा प्रयत्न करा. थँक्यू.